Hi everyone, it's Kristin VanBuskirk, family nurse practitioner at the Physicians Clinic here in Huron. Wanted to take a minute to talk to you about something that's very important, your mental health. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and it's important that we give you some ideas on what to look for in particularly teens and kids to have the conversation about how they're feeling. Kids typically don't have the confidence to come and tell you, hey, I'm struggling, or they just are not sure how to start and open those conversations. So as a parent, a friend, anybody that is an adult in a child's life can look for signs and symptoms of poor school performance all of a sudden, lack of interest in things that they used to be interested in. And one of the most common things that I see kids in the clinic for when they're struggling with a little bit of mental health is frequent headaches or stomach aches. These can be normal things. There could be a pathological cause for it, but most of the time, if there's no reason on exam for them to have these symptoms, we start looking at some mental health things that are geared towards anxiety or depression. If you notice any of these signs or symptoms in a child or a teen that's in your life, you can certainly call your primary care provider. We would do, of course, an exam to make sure nothing was going on causing the symptoms, but we'd also do some screenings with some questionnaires and then possibly refer to a mental health provider if there was more that we could be assisting with. Mental health is just as important as physical health, so getting to the root of the cause is helpful in treating appropriately. There are counseling services available, there's medications that can be initiated, and counseling is super important to help these kids with some coping mechanisms because they're still growing and their brains aren't processing things as well as an adult, so making sure that they have someone trusted that they can talk to would be beneficial. Some resources available to you in the community are school counselors, community counselors, and then there's a national hotline, 988, that you as the parent or the child can certainly call or text and get confidential assistance from somebody who is a trained crisis provider. If you have any questions or concerns regarding mental health or any other questions regarding your overall health, please give us a call at the Physicians Clinic at 605-353-7660.